now. Roses, roses. I like the crowds in midnight. I think midnight's a little better than 10 p.m. Wheezy! I know Wheezy loves my music. Wheezy is a big fan of my music. That's why I'm gonna keep playing it. I'm downtown? Oh, you gotta get your ass down here. It's not popping. It's just already popped by the time I got here. New Zealand, welcome in New Zealand. Guys, we got people from all over the world here tonight. In case you didn't know, RDG is from New Zealand. I do remember now. You said that a few times. Wow. Just about a lot of people here. Gotta get rid of this guy. Oops. All right. What do you think? What's up, guys? Let me know what's going on in the chat. Ethiopia in the house. Welcome, Ethiopia. Diego. Straight line, guys. Straight line, guys. No hair pulling. Please, don't pull her hair. Straight line, straight line. Hold your hands. Holding hands. Somebody found him the other night. He's like, hey, that's my tattoo artist. From Garden Grove? That's a long way. Wait, did he? Garden Grove. Did he say Garden Grove? That is fucking far. That's almost in LA. And he's here every weekend. Yeah. That's LA, right? That's like next to LA. Moonlight, we're doing great. Thank you for asking, Moonlight. You did say Lemon Grove. No, bro? Ronita! Ronita's been here every night with us, guys. Ronita, you're on the top 5. You're on the top 5 right now. East County, San Diego, Lemon Grove. Why am I thinking LA? Where am I from? Well, I used to be from Orange County, but I'm living in San Diego for a long time. Garden Grove, that's why. Yeah, tequila. Tequila. Hi. How are you guys? You know, we're gonna skip Junkie tonight. I think we're gonna skip Junkie. The signal's really bad in there. Hi, beautiful. Rodney, I hope you're saying that to the ladies. Excuse me, sometimes my camera falls, what do you call it? It's all about gravity. I don't know what's going on. This is very distracting. Downtown is very distracting. Weezy, I'll tell you when we meet in person. I used to go out back in 2010. Yeah, what happened? Welcome. Ladies and gentlemen. Definitely ladies and gentlemen, if you know what I mean. This is Toro. Everybody that's new, this is Toro. We're checking out the line right now. Not too crowded, not too bad. If you're new to this live, please hit that follow button up here. Let me know where you're watching from down here. And don't forget to tap, double tap, triple tap. 5,000 taps already. Whoa! I like this song. I like this song. They won't let me into Toro, guys. They won't let me in because of my shirt. Welcome, New Zealand. I don't think Nova is here anymore. We don't have Nova. Do we have Nova? It's not on 5th Street. If it's not on 5th Street, not likely tonight. Ciao d'Italia. Ciao amico, buonasera. Buonasera, come stai, Yuchi? Gianluca, come stai? Sei de acá, Gianluca. Gianluca de acá. Singapore and that, wow, we are so international tonight. We are so all over the world. Damn. Prego. Maya. Ay. Maya, the Betty from Whiskey Girl.
I have to go. We're going to start doing glow sticks right now.
You are? Okay.
Yeah.
We'll be here.
All right.
We're going to see you in there. Maya. Oh, Maya, Maya. Well, this is Whiskey Girl, guys. If you're new to the live, we go through a few clubs downtown. Thank you so much for tapping. We're at 7,000 taps. Thank you so much, guys. If we keep tapping, we'll bring more people in. If you're watching, you're tapping. If you're tapping, you're clapping. That's the way to help the live. I appreciate you guys' help. How are you guys? East Sun, welcome in. The girls are about to dance. We're about to start this party over here. Lots of girls out here tonight. And guys too. Guys, please tap and share. Tap and share. That helps the live. Tap, tap, tap and share if you're enjoying what you see. Click on that share button down here. There's a little arrow there you can click on, save the link and paste it to your friends. Anyone that's sleeping, go ahead and send it. Jose, I don't know. Go collab with Andrew's Bar. I don't know where Andrew's Bar, where is it? Where is it, Harry? Harry, please hit that follow button, Harry. Moonlight, welcome back, Moonlight. Welcome back, Moonlight. Don't forget to drop your heart me if you have one. And thank you, guys. Wheezy, thank you, Rodney. Moonlight. Sarah, you're in there tonight? Sarah, I haven't seen you in a while. You've been quiet. What's up, Sarah? It's your bar right here, Sarah? Oh, like 5. No, just 5.
You gotta rage bait a little bit.
We do, huh? Just wanted to get rid of that guy. Way too faded, that guy. Wait, he distracted me. What happened? That guy distracted me a little bit. I was saying hi to Sarah. I know, Sarah. I know you've been here, but I see you. I see you on the reports. Thank you for sharing with 10 friends. Thank you so much, guys. San Diego is not popping. It is popped already, guys. It was already popped when I came. And I got here at midnight. I literally just got here, guys. 9,000 taps? Are we gonna get to 100K? No way, no way. Guys, thank you so much for tapping. Who's doing all the tapping? If you're doing all the tapping, type a 1 in the chat. RDG! RDG with a 200 points, bro! Thank you so much, RDG. It's good to have you back. Good to have you back. Rodney! Let's see, Rodney's got... Rodney. How many taps do you have, Rodney? I'm gonna go back and look, Rodney. I don't know why it shows me 0. Maybe that's not working. I'm pretty sure that's not working. Seriously, he's just a nice guy. That could be his niece or something. I'm pretty sure they're related. They're from Argentina. Both of them are from Argentina. This is Bang, guys, and the lines are crazy right now. The lines at Bang are wild right now. Whoops. I gotta put on my filter sometimes because too much is too much for TikTok sometimes. It's my high-tech filter. I don't know why it's so busy tonight. It's just super busy tonight.
Back of the line is going to go down this way. Highway for
Tipsy Crow. Tipsy Crow.
This way. Let's go.
Well, you're not letting people walk.
Bang. The back of the line is down this way.
But he's blocking the whole sidewalk doing this. You gotta have a single line of people, not like a 10 people line. People can't even walk because he's doing that. So that people can get into Tipsy Crow. There's nobody at Tipsy Crow. Nobody wants to get in at Tipsy Crow. There's no line over here. Morocco, welcome Salvador. Like dark, like it's in lighting dark. Hey, bro. Even if she had a boyfriend, she kept saying your name. You're so easy. Easy? Is Wheezy easy? Easy peasy. Roses. That's for you. Say thank you, Wheezy.
Thank you, Weezy.
Oh, what?
I love you.
He gets all that?
Yeah.
I'm a galaxy, Wheezy. Oh my. Oh, what? Send them roses. Send them roses.
We have a big viewers. I love the baby.
She wants to vape. Let me see. Wow, Weezy gets all that? Damn, Weezy.
Wait, no, we're making the money.
Tell him to send you a donut. You're hungry.
Send me a donut. Send me 100. Send me 1,000. Take that Gucci breeze. Take that ass, bitch. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. Take that ass and drink. Let's shake. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees.
I think we should get them a hot dog, guys.
What's up?
I think you guys need. I'm trying to walk. I am, but look, I keep leaving. What's your type? Middle Eastern? Why?
They're just so hot.
Like their beards or what?
I just love their butt.
You like Habibi?
Yeah. No, like, I would marry one right now.
Oh shit, guys, you got any Middle Eastern guys in the chat right now? We can do this.
Body smoking like Zaza, rolling through Compton. AV with that ya. I thought they knew better than to play with a bitch. Smell through the vent. I'm from down the playground. First class flight for the ya on the way down. I send a nigga up for the ya in the face down. Got 'em going dumb and they looking for
Thank you for the taps, guys. Thank you for the taps. 27,000! Let's go, chat. Did I say this? I don't think you know, but you guys are an awesome chat tonight. I don't think you know this. I think they're missing a guy over here. We gotta make a sandwich. We gotta make a perfect sandwich. I leave for 2 seconds. Send them, brother. Send them, brother. You can send the wolf. We love to see the wolf. If you're not able to see the wolf, it's because you're not in the pack. You gotta join the pack first by sending a heart me, then you can send the wolf for support. We're gonna go see the dancers at Whiskey Girl right now. Ronnie with the wolf. Ronnie, thank you for showing us the wolf. That's the one.
In life?
We are.
What life is this?
We're going inside Whiskey Girl, guys. What's happening here? Oh. She's putting her clothes on. Ride a motorcycle? You got a motorcycle?
It's just my stuff.
All right. Here. Thank you guys for tapping and joining in. How you doing, brother? Sandra, is that your name, Sandra? There is a little sticker that says go inside.